kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read about Class 3 Science Olympiad. And in Class 3 Science Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to continue the chapter that is human body, right? Okay, so we have already discussed some questions of this chapter. Today we are going to discuss some more questions. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question, what is the function of skeletal system? Option A, it helps us to think and remember. Option B, it gives shape and support to our body. Option C, it helps us in digestion of food. Option D, it helps in throwing out the waste from the body. So in the question it is asked, what is the function of skeletal system? So what is the function of skeletal system? Yes, it gives the frame, means it forms the framework of our body, right? So it gives shape and support to our body. So here the correct answer is option B. It gives shape and support to our body. Okay. Coming to the next question, which of the following is an organ of the respiratory system? Option A, what is it? Yes, can you tell? It is the lungs. Then here, it is the large intestine. Then in option C, it is the brain. Option D, it is the heart. Okay, so which of the following organ, that is organ of respiratory system? So can you tell the answer? Here the answer is lungs. Okay, so lungs is the correct answer because it is the organ of respiratory system. Coming to the large intestine, it is the organ for digestive system. Brain, it is the organ for nervous system. Heart, it is the organ for circulatory system. Okay. Coming to the next question. Identify the function of circulatory system. Option A, it helps us to think and remember. Option B, it helps us to breathe. Option C, it helps us to digest food. Option D, it transports blood in our body. So we are asked, identify the function of circulatory system. So what is the function of circulatory system? Yes, it transports blood in our body. Okay, so correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question, which system warns a person that milk is too hot to drink? Option A, circulatory system. B, nervous system. C, muscular system. D, digestive system. So in the question it is asked, which system warns a person that milk is too hot to drink? So that means we can feel through that system, right? So through which system we can feel? Yes, which means let us know about the condition of the substance. Yes, so it is the nervous system. Okay, so here the correct answer is option B, that is the nervous system. Coming to the next question, match the following. Column 1, brain, veins, stomach, kidney. Column 2, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, digestive system. So brain, it is the part of which system? Do you know? Brain is the part of the nervous system. So I can write P here. Okay. Next one is veins. So veins, they carry the blood, right? So these are the part of the circulatory system. So here we can write Q. Stomach, it is a part of the digestive system, right? Yes. So we can write R here. Then kidneys, these are the part of the excretory system. So we can write S here. Okay. Yes. Coming to the next question. Which of the following organ control all the other organ or organ system? First one, it is heart. Second one, that is brain. Third one, lungs. And these are kidneys. Okay. So which of the following organ control all other organs or organ system? Do you know the answer? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay. So it is the brain. Our brain is control all the organs or organ system. Right. So the correct answer is option B, that is the brain. Coming to the next question, while exercising, our body needs more oxygen. Which of the following systems ensures that our body receives enough oxygen? P. Respiratory system. Q. Digestive system. R. Circulatory system. Option A. P only. B. Q only. C. P and R only. Then D, P and Q and R only. Okay. So while exercising, our body needs more oxygen. Yes. Then which of the following system ensures that our body receives enough oxygen? So our body receives enough oxygen. So enough oxygen we take it through the respiratory system, right? So respiratory system is involved in it. Then we take in or we breathe in the oxygen rich air, okay? And that oxygen it needs to be reached to different cells, to different part of the body, to different cells, okay? And how will they reach to different cells? It will through the blood, which is the part of the circulatory system, right? So correct answer, that is circulatory system and respiratory system. That is P and R only. So option C is the correct answer, right? Yes. Coming to the next question. Which of the following organs are protected by the rib cage? P. Heart. Q. Liver. R. Brain. S. Lungs. Option A. P and Q. B. Q and R. C. P and S. D. P, Q and R. So which of the following organs are protected by the rib cage? Okay. So protected by the rib cage. So among these options, heart, that is protected by our rib cage, right? Liver, no. Brain, no. Lungs, yes. So whatever options are given here, among these options, heart and lungs, that is P and S, these are protected by the rib cage. Okay. Coming to the next question. Which of the following system is found attached to bone and helps us in moving about and in doing different kinds of work? Option A, muscular system. B, nervous system. C, respiratory system. D, circulatory system. So which of the following system is found attached to bone and helps us in moving about and in doing different kinds of work? So can you tell me what is the things which are attached to the bone? Yes, these are the muscles, right? So these are muscles which are the part of the muscular system. So the correct answer is option A, that is the muscular system. Coming to the next question, match the columns. Columns 1, here name of the systems are written, and in column 2, function of the systems are written, right? So in column 1, that is circulatory, muscular, reproductive and respiratory system. Function helps in producing young ones, helps the body to move, helps in the movement of blood, helps in the exchange of air. Okay. So circulatory system that helps in the movement of blood, right? Yes. So here I can write B. Then muscular system we just discussed. It helps the body to move. Okay. So it is Q. Reproductive system, it helps in producing the young ones. So it is the R. Then respiratory system, it helps in the exchange of air. Okay. So it is the, it is the S. It is the S. Okay. Yes. Coming to the next question. Which of the following is required by our body for producing energy? Option A, oxygen. B, urine. C, sweat. D, carbon dioxide. In the question it is asked which of the following is required by our body for producing energy. So which of the following is required by our body for producing energy? Do you know the answer? Yes. If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay. So here the correct answer is yes, that is the oxygen. So what happens? The oxygen, it reacts with the glucose present in our body. So when it reacts with the glucose, then it produces energy, it produces water, it produces carbon dioxide. Okay. So for that we need oxygen. Got it? Coming to the next question. Which of these organs of our body belongs to both the respiratory and the excretory system? Option A, lungs, B, skin, C, kidneys, D, intestine. So which of these organs of our body belongs to both respiratory and the excretory system? You know respiratory system, that is involved in gaseous exchange, right? We breathe in air, we breathe out air. These are the part of the respiratory system. And what about the excretory system? Here the waste from our body, that is removed from the body. Okay, so here the correct answer is option A, lungs, because lungs, it is involved in the exchange of gases, right? Oxygen is used, carbon dioxide is removed, and if or as the function of the excretory system, carbon dioxide, it is like a waste for our body. So it is removing the waste. That's why it is also considered as the part of the excretory system. Okay. Next, to which body system do the items in the list belong? Collarbone, rib, kneecap, backbone. Option A, skeletal. B, circulatory. C, digestive. D, muscular. So, to which of the body system do the items in the list belong? So, collarbone, rib, kneecap, backbone, these are all bone types, right? So, these bone things, these are part of the skeletal system. So, here the correct answer is option A, that is the skeletal system. Coming to the next question. Which of these organs removes waste matter in the form of urine? Option A, large intestine. B, kidneys. C, lungs. D, stomach. So in the question it is asked, which of these organs remove waste matter in the form of urine? So in urine, that is containing the waste matter, right? And it is excreted by kidneys. So correct answer is option B, that is the kidneys. Next. Our stomach expands when food enters and contracts when it goes out. Thus the stomach can expand and contract. This is possible because our stomach is made of option A, bones, B, muscle, C, blood, D, iron. So our stomach expands when food enters and contracts when it goes out. So it expands and contract. Why? How this is possible? Why this expansion and contraction is taking place? It is possible because our stomach is made up of muscle. Okay, so muscle, it can contract, it can expand. That's why correct answer is option B, that is the muscle. Right? Yes. So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Then till then, read mindfully. Okay, meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.